Alright boys, what is up? Welcome back to a brand new video. Today's video, we actually have a truck we gotta go pick up. Now to start things off, you guys know I have this Cat Eye Chevy. It's pretty cool. I did actually add a 12-inch lift kit on it. Of course, we got the forges on it, the rims, just a little bit of tire, the white accent on the underside, and then also the black goes good, and then the grudge right there. Ooh, it just looks cool. The LT Cat Eye Chevy, the width just makes this thing look pretty good. I do think it is a little high off the ground, kinda. But we're gonna go ahead, get everything, put the trailer up, and we're gonna go pick up a squatted truck yet again. I actually don't know on the map where it is again, but I'm going to find out because I do not know where it is. Like, I actually do not know where the guy has it at. But we're just going to make the directions he gave us. No cop, no stop, am I right or am I right here? Probably gonna end up getting a different truck. Hint, hint. Oh, okay. This truck drives like literal crap, so I think I'm just gonna get a new one. But we'll pick you guys up whenever we get there. Right here. Yeah, we actually are meeting in the parking lot, broski. I do need to turn this trailer around somewhere. I'm gonna try to back up in there. I see Toyota, matte red, paint job, white under, I love that, kind of squat to it, obviously the same rims as this thing, so that's pretty cool, and then, you know, the little antenna right there, and then the LT, Sunfer LT and Tundra, and then the little wrench makes everything go together. because I need to repair it. Oh my god, this thing does not want to. This is a problem. Well, we'll pick you guys up whenever we get back to the dang old garage. Dang, I don't know.
Let's go.
Boom, man. Get out the way. Fireball.
Oh, let's go.
I think this just needs to be repaired. Now we're gonna try to tow it or whatever, just in like the stunt park or whatever. Oh my god, that's quite a bit. Okay, yeah, it's gonna have to be repaired again. But just so you know, this thing does work pretty good. Okay, I'm giving you hints of all the cars I have in my lot. It's my bad. But we'll pick you guys up next time. Hope you enjoy.